Hello and welcome back to the channel. For this video we are making Malteser Slice and you are going to need 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 100 grams of butter, half a cup of shredded coconut, optional if you want to toast it, a can of condensed milk, a 250 gram packet of sweetened biscuits. I'm using Scotch fingers, but it's up to you what you use. A cup of chocolate melt. I'm using dark chocolate. And a cup of Maltesers. We're going to start by putting the Maltesers and the Scotch finger biscuits into a blender and blitzing them until the biscuits are broken up. Now you don't need a fine crumb, but it doesn't need to be a consistent texture either. The lumps of biscuit make for a bit more of an interesting texture, and so do the Maltesers. Once you're happy with the consistency of the Maltesers and the Scotch finger biscuits, you can transfer them to a bowl. To the biscuit and Malteser mixture, we're going to add the half cup of shredded coconut. I haven't toasted mine, but there's definitely an option that you can pursue. And 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Now, if you're worried about lumps of cocoa in your mixture, you can always sift it, but I knew it would be broken up by mixing it later. We're going to give the dry mixture a bit of a mix until everything is well combined, and then we're going to set it aside. Into a pot goes the 100 grams of butter, the can of condensed milk, and the cup of chocolate melts. We're going to mix them over a medium-high heat until everything is melted and is well combined. Now that it's getting colder in Tasmania, it's a bit difficult to get out as often, so expect more cooking videos coming up in the next couple of months. Also, we are coming up to 1,000 subscribers on the channel, which is very exciting. If you aren't subscribed, may I suggest that you click the subscribe button down below. Also, let me know in the comments below if there's a slice or biscuit that you'd like to see me make, because we've done a couple in the past on this channel, and I'd love to know what you would like to see me make. Once everything in the pot is melted together and well combined, we're going to pour this over the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Then into a lined dish, we're going to place the mixture in and we're going to spread it out evenly. And then we're going to place it in the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours, preferably overnight. For the chocolate icing, you're going to need 1.5 cups of dark chocolate melts and a teaspoon of vegetable oil or a neutral oil. Melt the chocolate either in the microwave or in a double boiler until it's nice and smooth, and then add the vegetable oil. When you're ready to put the top layer onto the Malteser slice, pull it out of the fridge at least half an hour beforehand, or the cold from the slice will set the chocolate immediately, making it difficult to spread across the top of the Malteser slice and also to put any Maltesers into the chocolate. We're going to smooth out the chocolate layer in a thin, even layer across the slice. You can also add Maltesers to the top. I spaced mine out so I could see even slices, which are about 2.5 centimeters apart, and then you can put it back into the fridge for another at least 3 hours. Once the chocolate topping is set, you can take it out and cut it into slices. I do recommend waiting 10 to 15 minutes to let it come up to room temperature so it's a bit easier to cut. I think you'll agree once you try the Malteser Slice that this is absolutely amazing to have as a sweet treat and very easy to make. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to let me know down in the comments below what you'd like to see me make next. Thanks for watching.